Imagine attending class at the morning, join organization at the afternoon, and work at night. Sound exhausted, right? But for several students, it's just a normal day. So, welcome to my podcast, Cinematic Podcast by Kiko. Today, we're gonna talk about something interesting, and maybe a lot of college students will relate it to. Have you ever wondered why many students these days working while studying? Many of them usually has their own reason. So before we start, please welcome my three amazing friends. Yeah. Okay, thank you for coming to this podcast. Before we starting our conversation about this issue, why students working while studying, please introduce yourself one by one.
Okay, thank you. So, hello everyone, my name is Naila and I'm currently balancing my studies, work, and organizing activities at university.
Okay, next. Hello everyone, my name is Nikda Uma, fourth semester of English Education Department at Winatasari Banjarmasin. I also I have never worked before, and I enjoy learning new things. And then I also join a student organization for a short time. That's it.
Nikda and Naila, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Next.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Tariq Nahim. I'm currently jobless, and I would like to try one day.
Okay. I hope you get I have a good job one day. So, thank you for the introduction. I have several questions that prepared before we start this podcast. Let's we start from most common question. This is can be answered by you guys, some of you guys, but please each one of you answer this question. Why do students work while studying? Is it any reason at all? And what the most common jobs of among students?
I think more students are working while studying because many students want to help support themselves of their family. Just that.
And then what the common jobs usually students do?
Maybe it's a private teacher.
Private teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that private teacher is most common in the eventually at our faculty, Fakultas Tarbiyah dan Keguruan, right? So that's become common. Next, for Nikda, what do you think? Why students choose to working while studying? What do you think about it?
From what I see, maybe they do this to support themselves and gain experience.
Get experience.
Yes.
What the common jobs they do?
From my experience, many students work while studying. The most common job are online selling and tutoring, work in cafe, and freelance.
I see. Okay, so the reason from you is because to help themselves, just like Naila reason, right? Yeah, you have some opinion, and most common job is like freelancing, and because online, right? We can do whatever we want. It's like kind of like that. Next, from Alif, I would like to hear what do you think? Why students work while studying?
For me personally, I think they want to be independent on themselves and not so dependable on their parents. That's all I have.
Okay. And what common jobs usually? I think do you have friends that maybe work and studying at the same time?
I have a cousin who's still in a college. She's work as a staff at a supermarket.
Okay. So you say the reason why they working is because again just like the other opinion, but not to apa?
Not so dependent on
Yeah,
their
not
parents.
so dependable on their parents, right?
Yes.
So that was good. That was good. Okay, thank you. For another question, it's I would say this is a positive side of working while studying. I would say Naila will answer this question. Uh, what do you think? What are the biggest benefit of the working while studying?
I think the biggest benefit are earning money,
Of course, that.
work experience, management skill, communication skill, and maybe becoming more independent.
Okay, so a lot of benefit, right? Such as, of course, our money is the objective of working. Another benefit is experience. I would agree with that because experience is something that really expensive to get. And how can work experience help the student after graduation?
Work experience help students build their resume, develop professional skill, expand their networks, and increase their chance of getting a job after graduation.
Okay, it's so it's easy to get other job because we do working apa more cepat, lebih cepat dibandingkan yang lain, right? Okay, thank you. For the next question, I would say is negative set of working while studying. Maybe Alif will answer this question. Can working affect on academic performance? What do you think?
Hmm, that's that depends. And in my opinion, personally, that is depend of how long they work last. I'd say maybe around 4 or 5 hours long, maybe below that. Maybe they will be fine, not so burnout. But long past than that, they can be so burnout or exhausted, both mentally and physically. They can think clearly or they're exhausted to move.
Okay, so it depends. Yeah, it depends. It depends on how long they work. If 5 or 6, is it fine? But more than 5, 6 is gonna be like burnout or exhausted physically or mentally.
In my opinion, personally.
Okay, and what the most challenge that usually the student faces while working and studying?
The best I can think is what's called again a conflict between that or those. Like which is important, academics or work. At academics they can get grades, they can graduate, and work they can get some money for themselves or for academics.
Okay, so the conflict, yeah. So the problem is where the important thing.
They should put that between work or academics.
Yeah, that we should choose between academics or work, and that's happened to me actually. I would choose what should upgrade, what should hike, and what should low. I mean, I usually choose. Sometimes I choose my work than my academics, but sometimes I choose my academics than my work. That's kind of challenge for me because I'm a freelancer. Okay, thank you. Okay, next question. This is maybe Nikda will answer this question. Do student works because they want to or they have to? This is different. What do you think?
I think both some students work because they want to experience, while other work because they need to money for their education and daily life.
It depends, right? some students they have to, another student they need to, because we have a different background, different privilege, something like that, right? Okay, that's good. Okay, Nigda. For the next question is, do you have advice for students who planning for work while studying?
All right. My advice is to manage your time well, and always prioritize your studies and choose a job that is flexible and not too stressful.
Not stressfully. So you have advice to choose the jobs clearly, like how the jobs, is it easy or is it hard to do? Okay, that's good advice. Thank you. So this is the last question for you guys. Please, each of you answer. I need your opinion from this question. What do you think about what you guys think about they get into organization, work, and studying at the same times? It exhausted, I think. From Alif?
I have no opinion about it, but I respect her for it.
Okay, it's okay. And maybe Nigda?
I think they are hardworking and responsible. It is not easy to balance study, work, and organization, but with good time management, they can do it successfully.
And I agree with that because, however, they need good planning and discipline to maintain a balance and avoid burnout.
So they should do work, organization, and study balance. Not that hike on this side, on that side. Okay, that's for guys. Okay, that's for me. I don't have any question at all. And thank you guys for coming to this podcast. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching this podcast. And please subscribe, like, and get any comment. And remember, working is not only about earning money, but finding balance between study and working. So, I'm Kiko. See you guys on the next podcast. Close the windows. Bam. Yeah.
And organizational. But my name is Naila and I'm apa?
Ngopi. Enggak, tadi belum jelasin.
Activities at universities. Ulang.
Gak apa.
Oke, Bang. Siap lah, soalnya kesorot. Aku jangan ya, itu apa sih deh?
Sini.
Gak ada di sini. Oh.
Iya.
Ya.
What? Kamu kan tadi baru perkenalan.
Ya, maksudnya yang perkenalan kan lihat di
Iya pas.
Ulang.
Nggak terlanjur habis selesai gimana boy? The most common job are selling online. Online selling. Like they can do is like
So, welcome back to Cinematic Podcast with Kiko. Aku mau nanya ini, tapi bisa dari YouTube. Into the color. Please introduce yourself.
Tapi mahasiswanya kayak apa?
Misalnya jadi guru, jadi teacher, apa?
Itulah profesi. Work as
Kalau direkam tuh.
kemarin tuh ada suara wanita.
Itu kan rekam biasanya.
hey.
Kalau direkam.